Γεια σας, είμαι η Κωνσταντίνα με το LearnGreekViaTalking και σήμερα θα σας πω τι σημαίνει στην ελληνική αργό «Είμαι στην πένα». Είμαι στην πένα, it's an expression that we use whenever we want to describe something or someone being very stylish and very well looked after. Είμαι means I am and pena is the fountain pen. Let's have a look at some examples now. If I say το αυτοκίνητό μου είναι στην πένα, it means that it's very well looked after, clean and very stylish at the same time. I can also say σε έχω στην πένα, which means that I'm looking after you very well. You're dressed up in a very stylish way, you're very well looked after because of me. And if you say δίνομαι στην πένα, it means I'm dressed to kill. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to practice more with this expression, feel free to do so in the comments below and I will happily assist. Otherwise, if you're interested in one-to-one classes, let me know because my teaching method can really boost your speaking skill even if you are on level 0. And it is as fun and as effective as these videos. I'll see you on the next one then.